Acquisitions news. Moderna sues Pfizer and BioNTech for patent infringement relating to the mRNA platform used to develop COVID vaccines. Moderna sues Pfizer, BioNTech for patent infringement over COVID vaccine. P10 announces agreement to acquire Western Technology Investment, market leader in venture debt. Dollar General, Dollar Tree get a lift from higher prices and thrifty shoppers. Digital World Acquisition Corp. Announces filing of definitive extension proxy statement and reminds stockholders to vote in favor of extension amendment ahead of special meeting. Bullish news. Overstock completes planned investment in TZERO. New reduce it data show VASCEPA, VAZKEPA. Icosapent ethyl. Reduced STEMI as well as other Me subtypes. Moderna is suing Pfizer and BioNTech for COVID-19 vaccine patent infringement. What to know? Worldwide veterinary immunodiagnostics industry to 2027 increased prevalence of zoonotic diseases is driving growth. Meta's next VR headset is coming in October. Huawei and Bank of China jointly win the Asian Bankers Award of Best Bank Infrastructure Technology Implementation in China. Esperion announces bempedoic acid, NEXLETOL, recommended as oral non-statin therapy for LDL cholesterol lowering in American College of Cardiology expert consensus decision pathway. SEC says it's reached agreement to allow inspections of Chinese audit firms. EB5 BRICS LLC comments on EB5 visa settlement agreement between industry stakeholders and USCIS. Update 1 China and US sign agreement on audit dispute. Tesla could deliver more than 2 million vehicles in 2023. DeFi Platform Synthetics's founder proposes capping token supply at 300 M. Here's why. Oaktree early warning press release regarding Neo Performance Materials Inc. KB Home announces the grand opening of Glenwood, a gated new home community in highly desirable southwest Las Vegas. KB Home announces the grand opening of Whiteview Village, a gated new home community in Palm Coast, Florida. Moderna sues Pfizer and BioNTech for infringing patents central to Moderna's innovative mRNA technology platform. Powell speaks Friday and speculation runs high. Nasdaq resumes trading in Statera Biopharma, Inc. Fosun International enters into strategic cooperation agreement with HSBC China. Global Kidney Summit mobilizes patients for care innovation. Northcliffe reports extraordinary general meeting results. Electronic Arts surges 14% on report of sale to Amazon. Third U.S. Congress visit to Taiwan this month fans China tensions. Tops Friendly Markets expands gift card offerings with online gift card mall. Bullish insiders bet $621,000 United States dollars on Yext, Inc. NYSE. YEXT. iQIYI introduces China's first extended reality XR virtual production series, further integrating technology and entertainment. FibroGen announces completion of patient enrollment in Matterhorn, a Phase 3 clinical study of roxadustat for the treatment of anemia in patients with lower risk transfusion-dependent myelodysplastic syndromes. MDS. Pebblebrick Hotel Trust completes sale of Hotel Sparrow. Teladoc Health and CloudDX partner in Canada to enhance remote monitoring solutions for patients across the country. Citi named Best Bank in Asia at the Euromoney Awards for Excellence. NIO Inc. Announces substantial completion of independent internal review. Everbridge stock is soaring. Here's one reason why. Avenue Point establishes new $100 million SGD International R&D Hub in Singapore. Micro Focus shares jump after takeover bid from Canadian rival. Panasonic plans additional $4 billion US EV battery plant, WSJ. Update 2 Panasonic plans additional $4 BLN US EV battery plant, WSJ. India tipped to join pivotal JP Morgan bond index. Elon Musk and Tesla face a surprise and tough opponent. Xiaomi in talks with BAIC to reach goal of making cars. Tesla supplier Panasonic plans additional $4 billion EV battery plant in U.S. Global markets. Asian shares cautiously higher as Powell speech nears. Exclusive Chinese defense firm has taken over lifting Venezuelan oil for debt offset sources. European stocks higher. Powell speech to dominate markets. SpaceX, T-Mobile to connect satellites to cell phones in remote areas. Oxy, 1.5 to begin construction on Permian direct air capture facility. Tesla stock versus BYD stock. Tesla hits resistance after 3-for-1 split. BYD expansion kicks off. Update 1 Musk's SpaceX and T-Mobile plan to connect mobile phones to satellites, boost cell coverage. Chinese stocks may extend gains on talks to avoid delistings. Pfizer ranked leading company in Asia for COVID-19 response and patient-centric approach by Asian patient groups. Musk's SpaceX and T-Mobile plan to connect mobile phones to satellites, boost cell coverage. CTBC Investments selects ICE FactSet selected financials and data industry index for new ETF. Why Snowflake stock soared today. Momentum for higher welfare. Broiler chicken grows as 9 leading food businesses join the U.S. Working Group for Broiler Welfare. Apple Impact Accelerator selects Minneapolis energy company Sagality. Santander U.S. teams up with Citi Year and Rafael Nadal to support students. Why Melco Resorts stock was a big winner on Thursday. Accelerate Energy hosts U.S. ambassadors to Argentina and Pakistan. Bearish news. Sinovada is decoding nature. Stock futures slip ahead of Powell's Jackson Hole speech. BNPL lender affirms shares tumble after gloomy full-year revenue forecast. Credit Suisse warned by China regulator to fix executive exodus. Marvell stock slides on softer sales forecast after cloud demand drives Q2 profit beat. FedEx missteps fuel contractors crusade as pandemic delivery boom fades. Amazon just dispelled a big myth about Teladoc. Total Energies denies it's producing kerosene for the Russian army. Diageo pauses some whiskey sales in India to push price hikes. Marvell stock slides on soft sales forecast. China tech stocks gain as talks progress to avoid U.S. delistings. Data centers stockpile generator fuel in case of power blackouts. Australia's Ramsay says KKR-led group canned $15 billion all-cash bid, rejects alternative. Australia's Ramsay Health Care slumps to 4/1000th low after KKR lowers bid. Update 1 At least 84 people infected by E. coli outbreak in 4 states, CDC. Singapore's Grab falls after reporting wider than estimated loss. FCPT announces disposition of a Burger King restaurant property for $2.1 million. Update 2 U.S. suspends 26 Chinese flights in response to China flight cancellations. Victoria's Secret. Gap suffer as shoppers shift from apparel. Update 1 Brazil government to investigate lenders for alleged credit card fraud. Dell declines after executives signal tighter times ahead. Mark Benioff works to reassure investors amid executive shuffle at Salesforce. Earnings news. Dollar General slips after earnings and the charts look shaky. Angolan election draws low voter turnout as ruling party on course to win. Up Fintech Holding Limited to report second quarter 2022 financial results on September 7, 2022. Kroger announces second quarter conference call with investors. We ran a stock scan for earnings growth and news. Nasdaq, NWSA, passed with ease. Jinko Solar announces second quarter 2022 financial results. Ubiquiti Inc. reports fourth quarter fiscal 2022 financial results. The Trade Desk stock soared after earnings. Was the rise justified? We ran a stock scan for earnings growth and Gartner, NYSE. It passed with ease. Dell stock slumps as muted PC demand forecast offsets solid Q2 earnings. NIO Inc. to report second quarter 2022 financial results on Wednesday, September 7, 2022. Intuit's INTU earnings and revenues surpass estimates in Q4, revised. Dell earnings beat estimates but customers are showing signs of caution. The stock is dropping. Farfetch Limited, FTCH, reports Q2 loss, tops revenue estimates. Grief. GEF, to report Q3 earnings. What's in the offing? Financing news. Cenovus announces tender offers for certain outstanding series of notes. Wyloo Metals invests $150 million in rare earth materials. Halliburton announces redemption of 3.50% senior notes due 2023. Whistler Blackcomb Holdings Inc. announces redemption of all outstanding exchangeable shares. RE Automotive announces commencement of exchange offer and consent solicitation relating to warrants. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.